欧美国家准备过圣诞节，英国伦敦举办第8届姜饼城展览，用伦敦这几年重新再利用的老建筑为原型，邀请建筑师烘饼做姜饼厝建筑。
姜仔汤饼起的美丽建筑，活灵灵，搁也汤酸砖塔看起来亲像落雪冬天。圣诞节要到回伦敦姜仔汤饼城展览，搁出来。 主城机构甲45间建筑公司合作，用再生都市做主题，设计这静海的姜仔汤饼厝。
We all use buildings where we live, where we go to school, where we work, but we don't always think about them. They become the background of our lives. When you suddenly start to see them through the lens of cake and sweets, then you really realise how amazing buildings are.
将平常时的风景加做静海物件，是今年上受注目的姜仔汤饼厝。 用原型包含老建筑再生成功案例，巴特斯发展厂、家己的东伦敦厝文化圣地、红砖行的老杜门剧酒厂，要用饼或者出这建筑真源的烟筒，和建筑师是正上脑筋。
It's more about bacon and structure, in like this, the whole thing to be collected in one piece, not falling apart on the transportation and on exhibition. So we started to thinking how we will do the chimney so tall, because it's actually like 49 meters in real life.
好卡在每一位参加建筑师拢充满斗志，有人本身就真爱烘物件，即摆拄好结合专长，豪华表现，佮研究出特殊的配方制作出更较润的姜仔汤饼，或者美丽建筑更较坚固。
Yes, I love baking, and I don't know. I usually like to bake different things for the office.
Actually, gingerbread is really similar to bricks, so the same type of process. You also bake it. The icing could be as mortar.
姜仔汤饼厝顶悬各种的糖仔，用要互参观的游客，我来看，我来流嘴烂。一摆展览会到12月29，是要感受耶诞喜气的民众来赶紧去。公司新闻杨干编辑。